Hi Linda and everybody from Pasco too. This is Ian from SIT in Singapore. Essentially, I'm doing this video is to show you a problem that I have, which is I'm unable to paste a word equation into my capstone document. I've talked to Linda from Genetron a couple of times about this, and it seems that there's no solution coming out from her, so I thought I'll make a video to let you see what is the problem. It could be my operating system, it could be my office suite, could be capstone, I don't know. So you take a look at this video and then tell me what else I did wrong. So according to your manual, what I can understand is that as long as we set copy mathml to the clipboard as text, you should be able to copy and paste equations from Word and put it into Capstone. Anyway, here's my process. But before I do that, let you see what my operating system is. Let's pull that out. So it's it's Windows 10 Pro, version 1703 OS, built this number and so forth. You probably want to know what office suite that I'm using, so let's pull that out again. Let's go to the part where it shows that I'm using Office 365 Pro Plus, version 1707, this build and so forth. Right, so let's go to the part where I'm using the Capstone program. You probably want to know what version I'm using in Capstone. So I'm probably using the latest version, which is 1.9.2. All right. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. So I'm basically opening up my own file halfway through doing this file, and I'm having a lot of problems with this file. So essentially I'm in this page VA and VB page, and what I want to do is maybe add some blank lines, which I've just done, and put an equation here. All right, I'll do the same on this text box as well. Add some blank lines and just insert any equation inside there. So I just want to insert equation here and insert equation there. So the only thing I can do now is to call up the Word with the blank document and then create an equation. So let's do a quick one, which is just do a matrix, add a preform equation like this one here, and then also add another preformed equation like this one here, and I think I've got the equation. Now the next thing that you would expect me to do is to go to this down arrow key and choose this option. So I've already chosen this option and it's already set. I'm going to say OK. Now I'm just going to copy this equation, and just to show you that I've copied it properly, I'm using the the right mouse click mouse to copy it. So I think I've copied it properly. Now I'm going to paste it into the capstone document. So according to your help file, you say just position the cursor and press on Control V. Well, I'm not going to do Control V. I'm going to choose the right mouse click and choose paste. And you'll find that it's not going to do anything. It's just going to delete a line. So let's just see what's happening here. So you notice the line just shifted up. It's basically just deleted a line. Try again. And there you see it's just deleted a line. Do it on this side. It's the same effect. When you try to paste it, it just deletes the line just gets shifted up. And do it again. So it just deletes a line. So anytime when there's equation data in the clipboard, it just deletes a line in Capstone. So you probably would be saying, hey, you don't have equation data in your clipboard. I will disagree with you, because if I were to go to Outlook and do a paste in Outlook, you see that it pasted the equation properly. So definitely there's equation information inside the clipboard. To go one step further, I can also show you in Notepad what that data is. Paste the data, and you can see it's all math ML information in there. Now, the interesting thing is that if I were to copy this text, this entire line of text from Notepad, and if I were to do the same paste in Outlook, it will still paste an equation for me. So it doesn't change in Outlook. Outlook will still see that as equation, even though I'm copying the text from Notepad. However, if I were to paste it into Capstone, instead of deleting a line right now, it just pastes the entire text as shown in the Notepad. So it didn't delete a line right now, but it just pasted the entire text. Let's see for this side. Let's add some lines. And let's do a paste. And there you are. It's the entire math ML information in text form rather than the equation form. I have no idea what's going on. So I'm going to send all these files to you, and you can have a look and see what went wrong. I know Genetron has given me some advice to say that, hey, you can copy your equation or screen capture your equations and then use this icon to insert a figure. But you guys already know that Capstone's displaying of figures is pretty lousy. Let me show you what I did, what I mean by that. You can see this is a picture. This is my own picture that I've pasted. The original picture is this picture, which is pretty good. But once you do a screen capture and you insert into Capstone, I don't see how my students going to figure out this picture is actually that picture. So picture displaying in Capstone is pretty crummy. Sorry to say about that, but it really is. So I'm not interested in doing that. So I hope you can tell me how to get equations into Capstone. Something like this form, this kind of equations, very acceptable to me. I think it's fine. They know what is it. All right. So that's the first problem I need you to help me solve. The second thing is how do I copy a page? So for example, I've already edited this page. I've got all the formats correct. I've got all the tools that I need. Now I just want to copy this VA and VB page many times, put it at the back, and then edit it and so forth. How do I do that? I don't know how to do that. All right, there's no copy function, copy page function, and all that. So can you please tell me how to do that too? So that's about it from this video. I hope to get answers as soon as possible, as my course starts in 4 days time. So see you all.